Hey guys, it's Rolando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I want to talk about when is the perfect time for you to repair your credit. You know when the perfect time is? Whenever you take action. It's a decision that you have to make that you want to improve your credit. And I get it, guys. I understand it's a big decision to make because you have to face the realities of all the bad decisions you made on your credit towards your finances. But I want to make this as easy as possible. I'm giving you a free 30-minute credit evaluation. Yes, a free 30-minute evaluation from your credit coach that will let you know what needs to be done to help you improve your credit report. Believe me, in 30 minutes or less, I can give you a game plan, a roadmap as to what exactly it's going to take to improve your credit report. If you're interested, if you're one of those that wants the free 30-minute consultation, click the link below. It'll take you to my calendar. Book your free 30-minute session with your credit coach. Believe me, it'll be one of the best decisions you've ever made.